Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Grandmaji Vidyapit, standard 5th. So, students, today we are starting a new unit on measurement. Let's start by the performing a small measurement. Okay. So, today we'll start a unit measurement. So, what was the measurement? Whatever things we are having, that we have to measure it. For example, we are having this marker pen, right? This is a correction pen is there. So how we measure this? So we'll use the ruler. You know what was the ruler? That I'll show you here. Look at this, students. This is a ruler. This one is a big ruler and this is a small ruler. Okay? You all are saying about the scale. So in that scale, here is a number 1 to 15 are there. Okay, small scale is there. That's the reason number is a 1 to 15 is there. And then here look at this. This one is a written here centimeter. What was the written here? Centimeter is there. That I'll definitely you will look at here. यहाँ पे आपको clearly दिखाई दे रहा होगा. Centimeter is there. So 0 to 1 is there. This one is a centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Above 13 is there. So this one is a centimeter is there. Okay. Now, how will measure is this things? So now look at this. 0 से हम start करेंगे. Okay. We'll start from 0. So in that, this measurement is, okay, now look at this. 0 to, so here is the number is a 30. So this marker pen measurement is, this correction pen measurement is 30 centimeter. What was this there? 30 centimeter. So here we have to write, 30 centimeter. What we have to write here? 30 centimeter is there. 30 centimeter. One more thing I'll show you. This one is a chalk holder. In this chalk holder, what was the measurement in this chalk holder? 9 centimeter is there. Chalk holder measurement is 9 centimeter. Got it? इतना समझ में आया सबको? Now I'll show you one more things. Okay, students. Now we'll do recap. In this recap, which unit are used to measure length? First of all, हम कौन सी units को हम length में use कर सकते हैं वो हमें देखना है. So in that, which units are used to measure length? So in that, meter and centimeter are there. Two things are there. One is a meter and second one is a centimeter. Now what was the meter? Meter and centimeter is there. So in that, what is a smaller unit? Which is a smaller unit? Meter or centimeter? Okay. Which one is a कौन सा है वो smaller unit है? Meter है या centimeter है? That's we have to find. So which is a smaller unit? Smaller unit is a centimeter. Which one is there? Centimeter. Why centimeter is a smaller unit? When do we use centimeter? When do we use meter? अभी हम when we use centimeter and when we use the meter, that we have to find. Okay. So for smaller length we use centimeter. अगर कोई चीज है वो small होगी, at that time we'll use centimeter. And when the for long length or distance we use meter. For example, this one is a, what is this, students? This is a, again I'll show you these things. This is a correction pen. Correction pen units is there. So at that time we'll use the centimeter because this unit is a smaller unit. But will we find some distance, at that time we'll use meter. What we use? Meter will use. Okay, got it? A long unit is there. At that time we'll use long unit, long length. whatever is there, at the time we'll use meter, and smaller unit, smaller length is there, at the time we'll use centimeter. Got it? Okay. Now, measurement. Measurement is there. So, in that, I want to measure the length of a pencil. Okay. Okay. I want to measure the length of a pencil, whether I should use measure tape or ruler. Now, two things we have to use, measure tape or ruler is there. So, since the size of the pencil is smaller than the ruler, पेंसिल है, since the size of the pencil is smaller than the ruler, पेंसिल है वो जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे रूलर आपको शो हो रहा है, this one is a ruler, right? उससे तो स्मॉल ही है, right? Correct? So, now look at this. Length of the pencils is, how many centimeter is that? 0 to 10 is there. Look at this point on the which number? 10 number is there, 0 to 10 is there, so that the pencil's measurement is 10 centimeter. Now, next one. Now let's use how to measure the length of pencils using the ruler. Ruler से हम कैसे use कर सकते हैं? So in that we have to follow the step. To measure the length of the pencil, I keep a ruler on the 0 mark on one end of the pencil box. Now यहाँ पे आप देखो क्या क्या स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में हमने यहां से लिया 0 से, राइट? वी हैव टू मार्क हियर. आफ्टर दैट एंडिंग पॉइंट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. एंडिंग पॉइंट इज हियर. सो कैन यू टेल एट द विच मार्क ऑन द रूल द एंड ऑफ दिस पेंसिल? सो दैट मार्क इज 10. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज द 0 एंड एंडिंग पॉइंट इज अ 10. गॉट इट? देन so students, starting point is 0, ending point is 10, so we have to circle on 10. Okay, got it? The end of this pencil is at the 10 centimeter mark. कहाँ पे end हुआ ये mark? 10 centimeter पे. Now, therefore the length of this pencil is 10 centimeters or 10 centimeter. We have to write the full spelling of the centimeter. For example, CENTIMETRES centimeter, or we have to write the short form is there 10 cm centimeter. Cm, that means centimeter. Now let's perform another measurement. This time let's measurement something a bigger number. Now bigger things we have to use. So here usually you all are see this blackboard in a school. Nowadays you all are not going to school, that is true things, but usually these things you have to see in the school by blackboard, right? So I want to measure the length of the blackboard, whether I should use a measure tape or ruler. We have to, both the things we have to use. measure tape से भी हम इसको use कर measurement ले सकते हैं. Then we have to ruler से भी हम इसका measurement है वो ले सकते हैं, right? So first we'll use, since the length of the blackboard is bigger than the scale. Scale से तो जो blackboard है वो बड़ा है, right? But smaller than the measure tape. Smaller tape, measure tape से वो small है, छोटा है. That's the reason I should use the measure tape. किसका हम use करेंगे? Measure tape. Okay? Now first I'll show you a measure tape. This one is a measure tape. Usually this measure tape you all have seen, right? Now let's see how to measure the length blackboard using the measure tape. So in that, starting point we'll put, okay, we'll start from here. This one is the starting point of measurement. To the distance I keep the starting end of the measure tape at the left end of the blackboard. blackboard की left side पे हम उसको end करेंगे, ठीक है? So this one is a ending point is there. Okay, starting point is here. This one is a starting point and here is a ending point. Okay, but we did not see the number. Okay, now we are having the both the thing, therefore I can measure the length of the blackboard. यहाँ पे हम blackboard का measurement है वो ले सकते हैं. But now, should all the length is distance measure with the same instrument and the same unit? So in that meter, no, because it's the depend on how small or large at the length distance is. So different unit and different instruments will the cover for the measurement. This one is a meter. Measurement हम जब मेजर टेप का यूज करेंगे at that time we'll use meter, and when we use scale ruler at that time we'll use a centimeter. So here in a blackboard, this one is ये जो हम blackboard का जो हम measurement लेंगे that will count for as a मीटर में हम इसको काउंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इतना आप लोगों को आई होप सो आप समझ में आ गया. 2 things we have to measuring, meter and centimeter. When we measure the longer unit, longer things is large unit is there, at that time we'll use a meter, and small unit is there, at that time we'll use the scale, and centimeter is there. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are understood these things. Okay students, so now we'll start worksheet number 1, unit and length. Worksheet number 1, unit of length. So in that unit of length, first of all is a centimeter. We use centimeter to measure short length. For example, the length of phone, length of pencil, width of a TV. Okay. So ये यहाँ पे देखो phone is here. The length of this mobile phone, then length of pencil. So this unit we have to identify with the centimeter. See, here is a tablet. So this tablets, if you want to measure this tablet, so we'll use the centimeter. Okay, one more thing I'll show you here. If you want to measure this pencil, at that time we'll use the centimeter. Then meter. So we use meter to measure medium length of the short distance. We use meter to measure medium length of the short distance. So in that, for example, distance between two objects, length or a tree. ठीक है. So in that, now look at this picture. यहाँ से हमें इसको measure करना है. So we'll use meter. If you want to measure this tree, we'll use the meter. Understood? Then what was the kilometer? So when we want to go one place to another place, if you all are in the Moa, right? If you all are in the Moa and you want to go to the Ahmedabad, so in that distance, that one is a longer distance. Long distance is there. So in that long distance, we'll use that kilometer. What we use? Kilometer. We use the kilometer. That means the km. Kilometer to measure the long distance. For example, distance between the two places in India, length of the road, etc. ये जो किलोमीटर है वो हम किससे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? लेंथ से हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. Got it? इतना समझ में आया? So when we want to go one place to another place, at that time we'll use kilometers. If you want to distance in the two object, at that time we'll use meter, and one particular object is there, for example pencil and sharpener and all, mobile phone and all, at that time we'll use we'll use the meter. We'll use a centimeter. Okay, one more thing I'll show you here. Okay students, now see, this one is a mango. Mango unit is there, so mango unit we will use a centimeter. We'll use centimeter. Sofa set is there, at that time we'll use meter. Then this one is a, what is this? Street light is there, we'll use meter. Then road is there, we'll use kilometer. Ice cream cone is there, we'll use centimeter. And in a last, map is there, we'll use the meter. Got it everyone? So now what was your homework is, you have to make one list like this. You have to one list regarding the different object, and you have to write yourself What was the centimeter? If we are having the pencil and sharpener, at that time we'll use the centimeter. Sofa set is there, at that time we'll use the meter, like that. This one is your homework. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are understood all the things and you have to write this. Make one list and send it to me in a WhatsApp. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.